Today we're in Brussels at the Marnix, a building dating back to 1960. It was recently completely revitalized and had to meet BREEAM requirements. And here we supplied more than 2,000 linear meters of Kampmann floor convectors. It's a 4-pipe system which we use for heating and cooling. And the fresh air is also brought into the rooms through our units. What's special about this project is that it's a very old building. Instead of being demolished, it has been completely revitalized. The building is now set to last for another 60 years. It had to meet the BREEAM requirements. And with our units, we can help meet that BREEAM requirement for the certification. Because all the ceilings here were preserved, smooth ceilings, not suspended ones, the installation had to be moved into the floor. And our units are compact, easy to maintain, and meet all the requirements. The Kampmann Katherm is perfectly suited for situations where you have a curtain wall that runs from the ceiling all the way to the floor, and you don't want any obstacles in sight, allowing you to enjoy the beautiful view. Looking back on the project, I can only say that we're very proud to have been able to contribute to not a historic building, but one with monumental value, where we were still able to supply 2,000 meters of our product.